kit composed of the CB transceiver PNI Escort HP 62 together with the CB antenna PNI Extra 48 is a complete solution that provides the drivers all the functions of a modern transceiver in a compact and efficient design. The main advantage of this transceiver is the reduced dimension that allows it to be placed in the armrest or in small spaces inside your vehicle. The transceiver fits into the palm, similar to a walkie-talkie, and can be operated with one hand. Although it is a very small transceiver, it is equipped with a multitude of functions such as 5-level digital squelch, channel scanning, dual watch, keypad lock, display illumination, fast channel navigation, RF gain with 9 levels, AM/FM band selection, emergency channel. The display is large relative to the transceiver size and displays the channel and the broadcast reception level, along with a host of other active features of the product. The CB antenna PNI Extra 48 included in the package has a magnetic base, 4-meter cable with plug, reduced dimension and aerodynamic design. The CB transceiver PNI Escort HP 62 is equipped with the power adapter and connection plug to the CB antenna. The kit also comes with the user manual, thus providing a complete solution to the drivers with limited space inside their vehicle who want a compact and discreet transceiver with all of the modern functions.